Hi everyone, really quick video. This is the cushion that I did the other day, and I did say I was going to put a kit together, and I've done it. This is the kit. I'm not going to get it all out. We've got the wadding, the canvas, the laces, you've got the doily mat, you've got a big bow, you've got a picture, you've got like a bling for the corner, you've got some flowers, some more flowers, ribbons to do the frill around there, plenty of it as well. I've put 2 meters in. You've 2 meters of this ribbon, you've got 2 meters of the white ribbon, you've got 2 meters of the cream ribbon, and 1.5 meters of the pink ribbon. That's for your edging. When I did the doily one, if you've got a doily to, you know, that you can cut up, I didn't have it to do 6 kits, and I've only done 6. So I've done 2 rows, put enough in to do 2 rows of the lace. I've also put the chenille in. Now, we didn't have the plain chenille, but I've put the pinks. It's a pink and white, pink and cream kit. I've also put, I think it's 2 meters of the beaded string as well. So you've got everything, and the picture. You've got everything in here that you need, with a large rose for here. And there's enough ribbon for you to do this and do this. So that's the kit. You'll find it on the shop. The wadding, you've put in like 3 layers so that you can do a sorry about that, the camera cut out. But anyway, you've got enough to do all of that cushion. And then you can add your own bits and pieces in as well. So there's the kit. It's going on the shop right now, and there's only 6 available. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.